Goed maar lekker. Stuur het man. Kom uit man.
Dat staat naar Jamie.
Woe! Hippa. Dat is een plekje om je draaien. Nee, wat hij bent is. Zo ik ken niet. Ja, maar hippa, wacht, moet maar zo. Now you're gonna put the driver under pressure. Away guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a different type of video. This is gonna be I don't know, it's gonna be like a behind the scenes and then the original video. I don't know how we're gonna make this video though. I'm with Uncle Rico. I wouldn't be here, bro. Zou doen nou dit? We gaan elkaar hier op. Like the effort the guy put into put the car there, bro. Why do you have to put it this one in? Fuck, bro, Owens. Because he's a gat hier, bro. Start. Oh, bro. Damn it! Hi guys. Just gonna clap some rollers. Go!
Alright. I did. Yeah, used to treat my mattress like the ATM. Yeah, bond on my 9, that my favorite scent. Yeah, can't forget the kush, I'm talking OG. Yeah, rest in peace to Pop, he was an OG. Oh yeah, 285, I had that pack on me. I cannot forget I had that strap on me. Yeah, rest in peace to my nigga dog. All we ever wanna do is ball. That was the easy part. We playing the Weezy hard. We sit in the kitchen late, we're trying to make an escape. Trying to make me a meal, so I'ma keep me a plate. I told Shawty can leave, so I'ma keep me a rake. So I'ma keep me a rake. My jewelry look like a lake. Today I'm in a Maybach, and the car came with some drapes. You know I look like a safe. I put you back in your place. I look you right in your face. Sing to your bitch like I'm Drake. Yeah.
Good drink, big nuts, good drugs. I put a 4 on the rocks. Drop top, no hot box. 12 try to put me over, pink slips to the cop. She said that might give her this face. Put a dick in a real case. Whips out with the Kente. Diamonds clear like Bombay. Take your babies, no Harambe. Play with keys like Dodger. 3K like 100. Yeah, your girl call her Comfort. Trunk in the front, well check this out, my top in the trunk. You play with my money, then check this out, your pop in the trunk. 3 million a month, but I just did 3 years on a bump. Oh, you in a slump, I'm headed to Oakland like Kevin Durant. What is your point? Square with the stamp for Kevin Durant. Lay on my trout, play with my cap and I knock off your hat. I'm taking the cheese and killing the rest. Gucci bitch call me the cat with the rat. I'm swerving, but I'm in back of the bag. I'm Persian, man, I got her from Iraq. I'm serving, I paid a bird for that. He nervous, ain't got no word for that. He heard him on all of his purses back. He mixing his cereal with Percocet. She perfect and she got perky breasts. I just want some of that turkey neck. Trapper of the year, I'm from Boulder Crest. You snitch of the year cause you told the best. Good drink, big nuts, good drugs. I put a 4 on the rocks. Drop top, no hot box. 12 try to put me over, pink slips to the cop. She said that might give her this face. Put a dick in a real case. Whips out with the Kente. Diamonds clear like Bombay. Take your babies, no Harambe. Play with keys like Dodger. 3K like 100. Yeah, your girl call her Comfort.
Hey, Mike D, this shit hard as fuck, bro. You're a living legend, I appreciate that.
Buta,
Dankie, Kenan.
blessings,
Veel nee.
big time. Ma'am, dankie vir julle tydjie. Ek was hier. Ah nee, nee, ons gaan die kant te wees. Nee, die kant, ons gaan net hy ding klaar maak, man. Hy drink op van ons.
Dankie, ek
Ah nee, big time Buta. Dankie man, nee. Yeah.
Hey, Mike D, this shit hard as fuck, bro. You're a living legend, I appreciate that. Hey, Guwap, I'm glad you home, cuz. Quavo, you already know, man. You got Nace on these niggas, double salute, man. True shit. True shit. That weed killer. Now your son, the next is done. Sharpo Jr. I mean, I can go on today.
Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. So remember to tell your mother, to tell your father, to tell your grandfather, sister, which is your brother's little... Huh? Anyway. It's a khata hiervoor, yeah, it's a khata hiervoor. See guys, this is the part that you guys don't normally see, like I'm crazy or something, just for shots. But yeah,